and gone. Sandeep Lamichhane, and what a great catch there by Paras. Sandeep bowling the same channel, and Ian Holland has been dismissed.
Taking the ball away from the batsman early on. Oh, went through the defenses. This time around, Monak Patel had no answer.
Matches.
Just oh, once again a terrific googly, and Nisak Patel this time had no answer at all. This even better learner.
This is much closer. This is much closer, and the finger goes up. Timil Patel gets a taste of his own medicine, and Sandeep Lamichhane has picked up his fourth. Another wicket for Sandeep Lamichhane, trying to defend the ball. Akshay Humras picked up an ace and straight into the hands of Paras Khadka. 5-wicket haul for Sandeep Lamichhane. Next ball is spin or a googly.
Oh, yeah! The Stomps history. This is amazing bit of cricket. Sandeep Lamichhane picks his 6th wicket. United States of America bowled out inside 12 overs and have only 35 runs on the board. This is the lowest total in the history of one-day international cricket.
Definitely proud of, but just 12 overs. USA are all out for just 35 runs. Look at this ball.
Unlucky out there. He tried.
Sides. Appeal and given. I'm not sure that you see the ball like you've seen there with the googly, and it's been given. I felt that might have been turning too sharply. Maybe going on to hit leg stump. That's the googly. Look at it. It's turned very sharply indeed. Ahmed Shah Pakteen think it's going on to hit leg stump. That's all that matters. This is nation. Brilliant from him. And that is a beauty. Probably the delivery of the day. It's the leg break this time. Away from the left-handers. Big shot. Is this going to be a chance? It is. Gyanendra holds on. I'm not too sure about the shot choice from Gowdy Toka. That's the googly. Middle stump's gone. It's a 5-wicket haul. He runs. He punches the air. Sandeep Lamichhane, you are a superstar. Uproots middle stump. Look at this. Perfectly pitched. It's not Vanua, sorry, it's Soper's middle stump that's knocked out. Now it's Sandeep Lamichhane on the hunt for a 6-fer. And he's going to get it. Kushal Bertel has popped that up into the air. What a catch that is. A definite contender. I suspect for the Marble Pipe Safe Duck catch of the match from Kushal Bertel, but it's been all about Nepal and it's been all about this man.
Bowled him. Oh, Sandeep Lamichhane. Oh, that was a sweet shot. Oh, that's another wicket for Lamichhane. Lalit Rajbanshi there. Nicely swept, but there's a fielder there. Yet another wicket for Lamichhane. Clean him up. Sandeep Lamichhane takes his 4. Out! That's 5 for Lamichhane. Clean him up with a leg spinner. I don't know what Kamir was trying to do.
First ball to Kashyap Prajapati. Big appeal first up, and the finger goes up! What a start for Nepal! Lamichhane propelled back-to-back ODIs here to start off this second half of the Tri-Series Tour. Audacious shot by Jatinder Singh, and he pays the price. He does like to play that into the wicket, just a little bit to the left of the white return crease, popping crease. And this one driven straight to mid-off. Easy catch for Sompal Kami. Chucks it down, and Karan KC with it. Facing his next delivery here in the 46th over. And it winds up not costing them much in the end, just the 6 runs as Karan KC finally. And a slower ball, Foxes. Fires butt, and Karan KC kisses the square just as Ali Khan did yesterday. A maiden ODI, 5 wickets. That's going to be the
score out. Heads his head into the wicket. He thanks the heavens. Karan KC, what a tour you're having. Barely stop smiling at life, literally.
To the sky, Mala runs back and takes a good catch. That is the 4th wicket. Karan KC's deserved that. He's worked hard for that. And we speak about the experience of KC. The home fans love it. The outsides are being held up.
Yeah. Bowled him. Karan KC through the gates of Frylink. He was injured. He was just having that discomfort on his hamstrings. Tried to play a big shot. Was completely beaten and bowled by Karan KC. A good comeback and a good this innings.
Big appeal and given. I'm not quite sure Zane Green can believe it, and Buddy Pradhan was on the walk, but something off the bat they feel, and a very good catch held by Asif Sheikh. Karan KC has a 4. He's going to try to, but I think instead he's picked out a deep mid-wicket fielder who's managed to hold on to a catch that Buddy Pradhan just wants to check, but it's going to be 5. And a magical 5-wicket haul on a day that holds as big a place in his heart. Karan KC kisses the pitch.
Ah, nice ball. That's completely cleaned him up. Beautiful delivery. Look at that.
His return from injury. Helped down the ground and taken.
And
down the track, long on is there. Dipender Singh Irene. No, it's Kushal Bertel. He takes the catch. Never holds back, does he? Puts into the pad. Surely number 4, Lalit Rajbanshi. There's a Nepali connection there. Pabudi Dasanayaka, the head coach of Canada, of course. Big shot down the ground. Man out there. Victory for Nepal. 5 wickets for Lalit Rajbanshi. Bertel roars. Lalit runs.